In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view new and popular games in itch.io quickly and easily. If you're looking for trending indie games, fresh releases, or just want to discover what's getting attention right now, this is the fastest way to find them on itch.io. This is a really simple tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time when you're browsing for something new to play. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe if you find this kind of tutorial helpful. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the itch.io website. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main navigation menu across the top of the page. This is where itch.io organizes all of its browsing categories, making it easy to find games by genre, popularity, and freshness. Next, look at the top menu and click Browse. This opens the browsing section, where itch.io gives you several ways to explore content on the platform. You'll usually find things like games, assets, community projects, and other creative content here. After clicking Browse, look through the options and select New and Popular. This section is designed to show you games that are either newly added or currently popular with the community. It's a great place to discover hidden gems, trending indie titles, and recently released projects that you might not have seen otherwise. Once you click New and Popular, itch.io will load a page filled with the latest and most talked about games. From here, you can scroll through the list, open any game page, read the details, check screenshots, and start exploring titles that match your interests. If you want to narrow things down even more, you can use filters and categories on itch.io to focus on specific types of games. That makes it even easier to find exactly what you're in the mood for, whether that's horror, puzzle, role-playing, experimental games, or anything in between. And that's it. Now you know how to view new and popular games in itch.io in just a couple of clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.